Let's explore the concept of order of operations in Excel. In this video, we will learn how to avoid common calculation errors in Excel formulas. We will understand how PEMDAS, also known as BODMAS, works in Excel to ensure accurate calculations. Order of operations is a set of rules that define the correct sequence for performing mathematical operations in complex expressions. Consider this example: 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4. If we simply add 2 and 3 and then multiply by 4, we get 20, which is incorrect. The correct way is to first multiply 3 and 4, and then add 2, resulting in 14. In order to get the correct answer, it is imperative to follow the PEMDAS or BODMAS rules. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. The key rule to remember is that operations are performed from highest to lowest priority, and from left to right within the same priority level. Let's look at an example in Excel. Suppose we have the formula equals 10 plus 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 minus 4. Following the order of operations, first we calculate the exponent, 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. Then we perform the multiplication. 5 multiplied by 8 equals 40. Finally, we do the addition and subtraction. 10 plus 40 minus 4, which gives us a result of 46. A common mistake in Excel is not using parentheses correctly. For instance, the formula equals A1 plus B1 multiplied by C1 divided by D1, without parentheses, strictly follows the PEMDAS order. This might not match the calculation you intended. Using parentheses makes your calculation explicit and prevents order of operations errors. The formula should be equals open parenthesis A1 plus B1 close parenthesis multiplied by C1 divided by D1. Excel functions are calculated first, and then standard PEMDAS rules apply to the result. For example, in the formula equals sum open parenthesis A1 colon A3 close parenthesis multiplied by 2 plus 10, the sum function, which adds the values in cells A1 through A3, is calculated first. Then the result is multiplied by 2 and finally 10 is added. The priority order is first functions, then parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and lastly addition and subtraction. Here are some best practices to keep in mind. Always use parentheses for clarity, especially in complex formulas. Test complex formulas step by step to ensure accuracy. Break down complex calculations into smaller, more manageable parts. A pro tip: when in doubt, add parentheses to make your formula's intent crystal clear. Remember, Excel follows the mathematical order of operations. Always use parentheses to control the calculation sequence. And functions are evaluated before other operations. By mastering the order of operations, you can create accurate and reliable Excel formulas. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.